Guys, so I am back today with a makeup tutorial, and of course I decided to use the Huda beauty palette again, and I created this look right here. Of course I got some inspiration from Google because it was easier for me to just come up with this look by me just looking at some the colors are beautiful, but the fallout on this palette is ridiculous. Like, I'm not sure if I'm gonna get any of the other ones. I was supposed to get the other one that I got my little sister, but I'm really thinking about it because, to be honest with you, this has too much fallout. Another thing is, look at this highlight, you guys. I used the NY. I wanted to talk about these lip glosses right here that a subscriber sent to me and my sister, and this is the color that I'm wearing right now, and the company is called Lip Sense, and this is the color in hazelnut, and it's right here. What this is liquid lipstick kit that comes with a lip gloss, and it lasts for 18 hours. Now, she was kind enough to send us two different colors, one for me, one for my sister. I'm gonna be leaving her a link down below. Now, when I first she told me about this and she hit me up on Instagram, I was like, there's no way that this is gonna last 18 hours. Now, this does last. The only thing is you have to keep on the lip gloss. So it comes with a moisturizer gloss, and you just have to keep this on, and it does last for 18 hours. If you guys want me to do a separate video talking about this, leave a comment down below and I will do that for you.